Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change currency on Splitwise. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch up Splitwise, and then here at the bottom right you'll see your profile icon and it says account right here. I want you to just tap on this and you should see your name as well as your email address right here, and next to it you'll see a pencil icon. Go ahead and tap on this and you will be led to your account settings. Now scroll down, you see this section, it says default currency. Click on this drop down and you can go ahead and select any currency you want. So it's almost endless. So let's do this one right here. Click on it and then just click on save changes. Okay, that's all you have to do. Scroll up, as you can see, settings updated successfully. And that is how you change currency on Splitwise.